Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to check your blood sugar. I got some things wrote down here today before I get started on these things what I have right here. As you can see, okay, normal blood sugar is less than 140 2 hours after eating. Not eating, it should be less than 100. Okay. Normal blood sugar is 90 to 110. High blood sugar is 160. Low blood sugar is less than 70. So guys, if you in the 90 to 110, that's normal if you're not eating. But if you go over 160, then that's considered high. It depends on how many sweets you have ate. Sometimes it'll go up higher than that if you eat a lot of sweets. So guys, watch out for the sweets that you eat and bread and stuff like that. I'm gonna lay that right there. Okay, we went to Walgreens and we purchased these. I'm gonna show you how that looks. And these are a lot cheaper than the other brands. It's called True Focus. You get 50 blood glucose test strips, and then also you got to get this right here. This is your Walgreens Poker, what you poke your finger with. It looks like that. And I want to show you guys something. If I can zoom in, you see that little notch right here? That's if you just wanted to poke a little bit. But if you can turn it to deeper and deeper, like if you wanted the needle to go in your finger deeper, or like if you got some tough skin or something, you'll put it on this big level. But since I don't like too much pain, I keep mine on that small meter right there. And let me show you how to work this thing. So in here, you're going to twist this top off, and there's your needle right there. And it's sharp. Try not to touch that. Okay, you want to take that out, especially if you let somebody else use it, or you want to change it whenever you need to. And what you do with this right here, it has like a little cap right here. What you want to do is take that off. And just like I said, this kit is a whole lot cheaper than the other ones. And that's your needle right there. You don't want to touch that. You want to sit that down in here just like this. Okay, well, push that down. You want to sit that down in there just like that. Twist your cap back on and make sure it's that arrow right here. Let's see if I can. Is on the small setting, which is that little notch, the first little notch, because you can hold this and turn it to make it deeper. So I like to keep mine right there. Okay, and this is the Walgreens meter. It's a great meter, and that's where your strip goes. These right here for your settings and how you, when you first started. So how you want to work it is, you take one of your test strips. It comes like that. You can see a whole bunch of them in there, and if you pull one out, it looks like, come on, sometimes they stick together, so you gotta separate them, but it looks like this, and it looks like that. Okay, the white side goes up, and you'll see you have a little gray area right here. What you want to do, at the bottom of this, you want to stick it in at the bottom, and when you stick it in, you'll see it blinks. It's waiting for a little drop of blood right there. So you want to set that down, and you want to grab your poker, okay, and you want to pull. When I pull this out, it's going to be a little thing that pops up right here. So you pull it, and you see it popped up, and let it back down. You want to hold it firmly on the tip of your finger. Hold your finger on the tip of this very firmly and press your button right here. And then you want to squeeze. Squeeze the blood out so you can get a sample. And you want to take it right here. You can see a little slot right here at the bottom of this thing right here. You want to make your blood go right in the tip of it. Just like that. Then it beeps. And then it counts down. And it shows you your blood sugar. Yeah, and I just not ate a cookie, you guys. I know I told you guys to stay away from sweets. But sometimes a cookie here and there won't hurt you. But if you're a diabetic, you need to watch out. Even though you're not a diabetic, I would recommend on you guys having this, especially if you have it in your family or somebody. It's always good to know your sugar. And yeah, just like I said, you guys, this right here is it's called True Focus. And this is also you got to get the same brand of testers, which is True Focus testers, blood strips. And you also want to get your True Focus needles. They look like this, and they fit right in there. And yeah, guys, just like I said, if you don't have insurance, this kit is way cheaper than the other ones. They got One Touch. I think that one's higher. And yeah, guys, please, I love you out there, and please keep a check on your sugar. I would check your sugar after you eat every day. Maybe check it about 2 or 3 hours after you eat, and make sure your sugars are not too high. Like if you're floating up in there like around the 280s, 300s, 400s, then you probably need to change your diet. If changing your diet don't work, you probably have to go to the doctor. But sometimes it goes up if you eat a lot of sugar, and then you don't want to let it go lower than 70. That's what I was saying right here. You don't want to let it go lower than 70. Like if you're at 70, you probably want to get you something to eat. And you don't want to let it go higher than 160. But sometimes it does if you eat a lot of sweets. But if it don't go back down 2 hours, like I said, 2 hours after eating, it should go back down to 140. So yeah, I love you guys, and keep a track of your blood sugar. And when you're not eating, it should be less than 100. So if you don't eat all day long, it should go down to 100. Like maybe after 6 hours, something like that, it should be 100 or less than. Yeah, guys, and I'm gonna zoom in on this paper so you can see what I've been talking about. And normal, less than 100, not eating. Normal blood sugar is 90 to 110. Blood sugar is less than, above 160. That's too high. And yeah, just keep a track on it, you guys. It should go down. Here goes our meter, our True Focus meter. And on the back here, we have a round battery like this. This is, look for the camera to zoom in, a 3-volt battery, CR2032. You want to sit it right down in there like that and snap it. There you go, guys. Says 1 point. Okay. You see right there, it says the time. It has 3 buttons up here. 1, 2 in the middle, and 3. Okay, so it's 11:17 right now. So to change the time, this is negative and this is positive. So we're going to go up with this one right here. But the middle one is to go to the next section. So we're going to go press our positive button here on the right side. That goes 10, 11. Press the middle button to go to the 57. I'm going to change that 57 to 17 with the positive button on the right. Okay. AM is correct. Press that. 2022 is correct. And 21 is correct. So we're going to go back down to 22 and press the middle button. Okay. 4 is correct. 21 is correct. And there she is, guys. Once it beeps, you got everything set up. And the on and off button is the middle button also. So if you hold that middle button down, it goes off. And if you turn it on with this middle button, you can press your negative and your positive buttons to go through your different readings that you had. So maybe it would have said 100, your sugar would have been 140, 120. You can go through your readings with the one on the left and the one on the right. And the one in the middle is to turn off and on. Thank you guys for watching True Focus. Keep your blood sugars under control. And let me show you guys how I got my pouch set up. This is the pouch. I take a little sandwich bag and I put, because it comes with so many of them, I just put a few of them in a plastic bag like this so it'll fit in here. I say this is about 10 or 15 of my needles. I put that in that part. I put my meter in the middle part. And sometimes I don't even move this, and I don't move this, I just take it out while it's in here, and then put one while it's still laying right there. I tuck that up under there and stick my strip in, and the only thing that I take out is one of these strips, and then I take this out, pop my finger, and then put one of the strips in while this still is in here, and while this is still in here. That way you don't have to take anything out. And yeah, guys, don't forget to go over my notes on what your sugar should be. See if we can zoom in a little bit so you guys can read that on what your sugar should be. Zoom in a little bit more. You guys can read that. And thanks for watching, you guys. Like and subscribe.